That's my fan belt. That's what happens when you camp with Liam. Just destroy things. Minus 896 billion degrees last night, and I camped it. Then I ran into Liam's van first thing in the morning to get that sweet, sweet diesel heat.
Oh yeah.
Sweet, sweet diesel heat. But, Antons, Supertrail, and Basin are open today, so we shall explore all them on the trusty sports stick, snow stick. Yeww!
Driving around with they tanks and they shotguns. Blast! Niggas driving around with they tanks and they shotguns. The only way I'm quitting if you bitches get me killed. Blast! Niggas driving around with they tanks and they shotguns. Say, nigga, what the fuck you doing out there? The screams of the room that give me chills as I pop one. I
Almost got him.
I was only there, but then I began to see that he was fucking real. The game will get inside a real rider and have him snitching and getting real shit about it. Names get quoted, consolidated to 44. They say he's singing like a bird, yapping there he go. Case is over, more pain with no pain. And it's the G's that been fucking up the game.
Yeah.
We all got one, nigga not one, nigga pop one. Got his shotgun, nigga drop one. You see me? Yep, Snoopy Houdini making niggas disappear, then popping back in black beanies to me. I can see you, but keep that on the low. Load it up, and we already flow, and they already know.
Blast! Niggas driving around with they tanks and they shotguns. The only way I'm quitting if you bitches get me killed. Blast! Niggas driving around with they tanks and they shotguns. Say, nigga, what the fuck you doing? The screams of the room that give me chills as I pop one.
I set the stage, turn the pace, run the game, busy vibe, busy wild, doggy on some other shit that he won't, think he can't, yeah he will, that he won't, rep the side, 9 to 5, pop a nigga, let him know, don't get caught, be cheap, keep that thing on the side, where it's at, who we shoot, why they walk, why they ride, baby, anyone, you ain't know, he ain't know, better, say it, let him know, I said he won't, can't keep up, low, he got a cold stroke, meantime, me and mine, we gon' just let it go, hey, what he thinking for, hey, what he think he say, everybody in and out of LA, we got niggas getting shits out, flicks on the bliss out, and plus we gotta deal with these little ass kiss outs, all no, screams of a mother cry, and blazing flames, and scenes of a homicide.
Blast! Niggas driving around with they tanks and they shotguns. The only way I'm quitting if you bitches get me killed. Blast! Niggas driving around with they tanks and they shotguns.
Yeah.
Say, nigga, what the fuck you doing out there? The screams of the room that give me chills as I pop one.
Day one of snowboarding with Liam. Great success. Oh, now to drive the van home with no power steering down a mountain. Fuck yeah, keen. This snowboard still works, it's good. I still work, also good. Liam's functioning, that's good. And yeah, should be up here again in a few days. But yeah, the snow, gee whiz, not too bad. Not too bad.